Samsung has finally pushed OneUI 8.5 Beta 6. This update is 565 megabytes in size and it fixes a lot of bugs. This is the version number of the update and it still has the February security patch. So I'll install this update right now. Okay, so now the update has been installed and the first bug that has been fixed is related to Bixby. There was an issue while creating a wake-up phrase in Bixby Labs, but that has now been fixed. Next, while creating a sketch using Galaxy AI, it showed two Show Previous buttons, but after this update, that bug has been fixed. By the way, do you still use Galaxy AI to generate random stuff on images? Do let me know in the comment section because I occasionally use it to edit images, and apart from that, I don't use it much. Next, this update fixes issues with text, icons, and always on display visibility of Now Bar and Now Brief recommendation cards. Then, if you try to change the camera area in settings, then display, there was an issue that caused a forced close and that has also been fixed with this update. Apart from this, some changes have been made to the lock screen when using basic or easy mode. In the end, animations for notification cards have also been improved with this update. The Galaxy S26 series is already out, and there are a few new features that can be seen with OneUI 8.5 on that phone. For example, the ability to remove noise from third-party apps and generating a scene in Gallery just using a text prompt. These features might also come to the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S24. We will have to wait for a few more beta updates, and after that, Samsung will finalize the stable update for the Galaxy S25, which will hopefully arrive around April 2026. So that was all for today's episode, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.